The title of our project is an investigation on the role of fulvic acid and fulvic acid on plant root development. I am Razia Begum. I am a student of BSc second year at Government Degree College, Maheshwaram, including my other team members, Sindhu BSc second year, Gajendra Saho BSc second year, Mirza Akif Beg BSc first year, Y. Ananya BSc first year. Ultimately, the project is supervised by Dr. D. Srihari Reddy Sir, Department of Botany, Government Degree College. Root growth plays an important role in plant development. Root development is an important factor in plant growth, influencing nutrient uptake, water absorption, and plant overall health. Root with high density and learn absorb more nutrient, and root which are deeper inside absorb more water. Roots also helps in anchoring the plant to promote overall health and root growth. Both the humic acid and fulvic acid are the compounds of humus soil. In recent times, both the humic acid and fulvic acid has been used by the farmers in cultivation, which are economical and organic in nature. The purpose of this study is to validate the efficacy of both compounds in root initiation and root growth. Literature review. Canales et al. Reported that both the humic acid and fulvic acid has improved nutrient availability in the soil. Trivision et al. Reported that both the humic acid and fulvic acid enhance the production and activity of oxide. Zandonati et al. Reported that both the humic acid and fulvic acid promote beneficial microbial activity in the auxins. Ibrahim et al. Reported that both the humic acid treated plants show tolerance to the salinity and brought in rice. Sadahar et al. Reported that humic acid increased root growth and root initiation in the wheat. Similarly, Bia et al. Reported that humic acid induced abiotic stress tolerance in the maize. Now my friend Sindhu will continue the aims and objectives.
To investigate the role of humic acid and fulvic acid in the root development of wide variety of plants which are not studied until now. To study root initiation from the shoot cuttings of medicinal plant, scissors species and Portulaca species, to study the synergetic effects of the plant, humic acid and fulvic acid and IPA on root induction from the shoot cuttings of crop scissor species. To assess the role of humic acid and fulvic acid on root length and root number of the crop plants like wheat and onion. To study the role of humic acid and fulvic acid in inducing the water stress tolerance in wheat. Next, my friend will continue the methodology.
In methodology, we can observe that humic acid and fulvic acid are dissolved in water to prepare stock solutions. Stock solutions are diluted with water to prepare solutions of various concentrations like 0.5 grams per liter to 4 grams per liter of humic acid and fulvic acid. IBA is dissolved in 5 ml of ethanol to prepare IBA solution 2 grams per liter and later diluted with water. In experiment 1, shoot cuttings of scissor species and Portulaca species are inserted in coco pit in disposable glasses and treated with humic acid and fulvic acid solutions for root initiation, and some samples are also treated with IBA solution for root initiation, and all the samples are kept in shade for 30 days. In experiment 2, allium cepa, onion bulbs are scratched at the bottom to remove the dried roots and kept on the coco pit in disposable glasses and treated with water and solutions of various concentrations 3 ml each in 15 days interval and kept the samples in shade for 15 days. In experiment 3, we took 20 seedlings each of wheat and sown in pots containing coco pit and soil in 2:1 ratio and treated with water and solution of various concentrations on daily basis for 30 days. In experiment 4, we took 3 seedlings each of wheat and sown them in various disposable glasses and treated with water and solutions of various concentrations to test the water stress tolerance in 4 days interval. Now my friend will continue the results.
In experiment 1, role of humic acid, fulvic acid and indole 3-butyric acid on root initiation from scissor system cutting. As we can see, this is the graphical representation which shows at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa and plus HA, IBA, we got the maximum number of root growth, and in the presence of humic acid, fulvic acid and indole 3-butyric acid, we observe maximum number of root growth. Role of humic acid on root growth from the Portulaca species. At 2.5 gram per liter concentration of HA and 1 gram per liter concentration of HA, we observe maximum number of root growth. In experiment 2, role of humic acid, fulvic acid on onion root growth. Here, at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa and 4 gram per liter concentration of Fa, we observe maximum number of root growth. Whereas, at 2 gram per liter concentration of HA and 4 gram per liter concentration of HA, we observe maximum number of root growth. This is the graphical representation which shows the result and discussion. In experiment 3, role of humic acid and fulvic acid on wheat growth. At 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa and in the combination of both 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa plus 2 gram per liter concentration of HA, we observe maximum number of root growth. In experiment 4, role of humic acid, fulvic acid and on wheat growth under water stress condition. At 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa and 2 gram per liter concentration of HA, we observe maximum number of root growth. This is the graphical representation of experiment 4. Now findings. In experiment 1, role of most effective root initiation from the stem cutting of cissus is observed at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa followed by HA and pre-treated by 2 gram per liter concentration of IBA. Most effective root initiation is observed at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa. It has been observed that humic acid induces more root growth at 2.5 gram per liter concentration from the tested sample of Polychuleca, which is commonly known as table rose. In experiment 2, Allium cepa, longer and dense root growth are observed at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa followed by 2 gram per liter concentration of HA. In experiment 3, wheat sample, longest and dense root growth is observed at 2 gram per liter concentration of Fa followed by 2 gram per liter concentration of HA. Whereas 4 gram per liter concentration of Fa followed by 4 gram per liter concentration of HA. In experiment 4, wheat sample under water stress condition on root growth is increased with the application of humic acid and fulvic acid. Now my friend will continue the conclusion and suggestions.
Humic acid and fulvic acid or organic. Humic acid and fulvic acid have exhibited optimum root growth at 2 to 2.5 gram per liter concentration in Allium cepa, wheat, cissus and Polychuleca species when compared to the control. Humic acid and fulvic acid together with IBA have shown the optimum root initiation from the stem cuttings of cissus at 2 gram per liter concentration each, indicating the synergistic activity among them. Our work also shown that both humic acid and fulvic acid are useful for the root growth in wheat under water stress conditions. These are particularly useful for crops which are only dependent on rainfall. Farmers are advised to use humic acid and fulvic acid as they are organic in nature and prevent the soil pollution. It will be beneficial to the farmers using these compounds in agriculture and horticulture through organic farming at 2 gram per liter concentration.